Nature Made Fish Oil 1000 milligrams with omega-3. 300 milligram soft gel, 150 soft gels. Supportive but not conclusive research shows that when you take this with the EPA and DHA omega-3 fatty acids may reduce the risk of coronary heart disease. See nutrition information for total fat and all the cholesterol that it has. No color added, no fake flavors, no preservatives, no yeast or starch. So if you buy this off of Amazon, it is $13.29, and it's a really good soft gel. There's 150 in it, and it's really good because it has omega-3 fatty acids, and it's really natural because it doesn't have, fake colors or dyes or anything, like that. So this would be a really good supplement.